The date is the 18th of November 2024. The time is 8:10 a.m. and my friend Trish has just called me outside to look at all this, these clouds. The house there, that's in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, Lincoln, UK, and as you can see, there's the moon up there, just in the northwest by the looks of it. And look at these clouds. These are not the best ones, but these clouds are very, very strange. Look at this. And then they go above my house, and then look at this. Look at this. What is that about? Oh wow, talk about the supernatural. I was just completing a document, a 53-page document that I'm going to send off to the Watchtower about, if you look on jw.org on the news, there's been a wildfire behind the world headquarters of Jehovah's Witnesses at Jennings Creek on the hill there. And basically it's a scripture in being fulfilled in Jeremiah 6 verse 1, and there you will find what is mentioned there is Beth Hashem. Beth Hashe is my daughter's name. Hashe is my surname. Have a look at Jeremiah 6 verse 1. Look at these clouds. They're amazing. Look at this. What is this about? I'm just going to go outside because I can't quite see it from here. I'll just go outside the gate so I can get a better view. I'm on the road now. Look at that. What is that about? God, I've never seen anything like that in my life. Have you ever seen anything like that? Just as I finish a document off to send to Watchtower to take them down. Oh wow, that is amazing. My best friend Trish just called me out. She says, you got to look at this. And then that one goes up there like that, and then there's some strange supernatural clouds over there. The moon's just there, look. I've got a car coming, so I'll have to move out of the way. Yeah, but the moon's, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there's the moon, look. Yeah, there's the moon. Let me just zoom back out. Yeah, these are strange clouds over here as well. That's towards the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. I'll just go across the road. There's my house, my bedroom, where I do all my work to take down the Watchtower in the world. Oh my God, these clouds. Look, they're above there. Now if I turn to the east, oh my God. What the heck? I was almost going to say swear then, but I won't. That is unbelievable. Wow. I think I'm going to have to put this in my document. What is that about? That's just impossible. It's a mishmash of lines. That's not plane trails, the vapor trails from aeroplanes. No way. That's definitely supernatural, as I finish my letter off. Well, that's a funny strange one up there, that one near the above the bush. And then you've got that across there. Oh, raven. A rook went by. That's a harbinger of death. It's alright over there in the west, but above my house there, and then it gets really weird. Look, have you ever seen anything like that in my life? We'll take a photo in a minute. I'll just leave it on a minute. Right, I'll say bye for now.